The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from London, England, LIZZY.
I can't watch this entrance. I heard this one backstage talking up their own work non-stop. Well, why don't they get in the ring and prove it, huh? Matchup about to get underway, and oh no, what are they doing here?
Well, immediately the two opponents have taken their eyes off each other, and who can blame them with this presence strutting around the ringside area?
Yeah, and I think this presence is about to sit down here at the commentary table. Oh, so what do you think's going to happen here?
All bets are off at this point. It's all up for grabs.
The bell sounds, and hopefully everyone's head is in the game right about now.
I think you have to put that distraction from before out of your head and focus here.
Taking off from the ropes. Oh, that'll rattle you. Lands a timely reversal.
Defenses are sharp with this series of reversals.
Uh-oh, ankle pick. Beautiful takedown.
Targeting the knee.
Oh, my goodness. You have to imagine the disdain it takes to repeatedly stop someone like that. It knew what was coming there.
A competitor has been
Oh, they're
eliminated.
slugging it out, and look out, baby. Beginning the upper hand here. Hey, wait a minute. Where are you going?
Come back! Our guest has left the desk here! Oh my God, a disqualification!
And everybody's shocked. This is insanity. They were probably headed toward victory, that's why. Well, they couldn't stand to see them get in the upper hand. How does one prepare for the unpredictability? Look out! Body splash!
She's able to steer clear of that attack.
High impact crossbody. Boom! That puts her on the offensive.
Leaning against the turnbuckle now.
Turns it around. From out of nowhere. RKO! The only word that comes to mind with them is aberration. Yeah, Corey, what started as a sporting rivalry has devolved into this all-out war we're seeing unfold here. Lifted up into the fireman's carry position and slammed down to the canvas.
Can she take advantage of this?
Gonna break someone's back and make them humble. A submission won't win the match here, but it could. How does she get out of the camel clutch just like that? She's setting something up. Fisherman suplex. Down to one knee, off of the other. One after getting. That's it. It's over.
Escape just in time.
Satellite DDT. She's choosing to leave the ring now. She's going under the ring now.
Get ready for chaos. The chair is coming out.
The referee clearing that weapon out of the ring.
Oh, like a projectile right on target.
If they can get her out of that one.
Stick elbow to the face. We are seeing absolutely no quit from these women. They've each come too far to surrender now.
Oh, able to get that elbow into the bed.
Down to one knee, off of the other. One enzuigiri.
This is her chance. Will she seize the moment?
Kept
calculating the next move here.
Driven under the steel.
Not only landing there, those steps are dented to hell now.
Tossed back into the ring.
Down to one knee, off of the other. One enziguri.
Wait for the encore. That has to be the end of this.
Setting up for something. Right there is going to cost them the fall. Now's a good time to look at some of the highlights from that last matchup.
I'm on top, this ain't even my peak. And everything they said was out of my reach. It's getting so close now, did it all for the hometown. It's time all year, we ain't seen the goal now. This ain't even my peak. And everything they said was out of my reach. It's getting so close now, did it all for the hometown. It's time all year, we ain't seen the goal. Had the weight of the world on my shoulders. Felt like a lion in a room full of vultures.